Is it a full fender replacement? I don't know, but I love wide body kits when they don't have the bolts. I think when they bolt them on, you see the bolts sticking out, they're not as good, but this Liberty Walk body kit was clean. Where's your push button at? It's already overheating. Italians. What's up, guys? It is Stickers back with another video. Right now we are on our way to Cars and Coffee. It's early, my phone's not here, and I don't know. Yeah, no, that's an hour off. It's got to be 9 o'clock. I've been waking up so early for work and working so much that I told myself if my body wakes me up, I'll go. My body doesn't wake me up, I'm not going to this Cars and Coffee. It woke me up. We're on our way now. But yeah, no, we're going to Cars and Coffee. We do have our 360 mounted in front now, so not sure how much you guys are going to like it for the vlog style videos. Might not use it there when I'm vlogging. It might be kind of ugly and annoying. It's bouncing around in front of your faces. But we'll see. We'll see how this will look after editing. But yeah, no, we're on our way to Cars and Coffee. Not sure exactly what Cars and Coffee or who this is hosting. I know our friend Will Bilko is going to be here. I saw him post about it. I did see that Medi was here. I mean, Kate's probably here and Mariah, but we'll see who's here and who's not. But it looks like there's a good amount of people posting about it, so I was like, might as well. I'm gonna wait. It sadly, hopefully there isn't water on your guys' lens. It didn't show rain, but it's super gloomy and it's kind of misty. I won't say it's raining, but my visor definitely has a little dampness to it. I'm not sure if that is because there's just that much moisture in the air, or it actually was sprinkling a little bit at some point. I'm not sure which, like I said, which one it is, but my visor is damp, so therefore, somehow, water got onto my visor. Let's open it up. We are rocking new gloves today. Huge thank you to Saint sending me out their new, or these aren't their new ones. They are going to be coming out with some new white ones that I might see if I could get. Do one black, one white glove. How do you think that'll be? I think that'll be cool. But these are Saints road gloves. Really soft leather. I don't know how I feel about that. Love the carbon knuckle on them. You know, we love carbon fiber here. Carbon fiber. But yeah, thank you Saint for sending me out these. Well, it's upside down for both of them, but right there, Saint. And my jacket is Saint too. So thank you Saint for my jacket and my gloves. Rocking both of them. And I'm not rocking my Saint Kevlar jeans today, but they do have a very nice Kevlar jean also. So, thank you guys. Not a sponsor of this video, but definitely got me some good gear. Yep. And in there, that is where the meat is. We'll probably ride through with me on the bike filming, because instead of me having to walk the whole thing and see everything going on, I can just literally ride through the event. And it's so gloomy today. I don't know what California have been up to, but this California weather ain't California's normal weather. How much you want to bet? Now that we got this camera right here, Medi's going to see me. He's going to see the bike, hear the bike, and then he's going to be like, oh, let's go mess with stickers. Like always. All right, let's see what's over here. I don't really see anything yet. We got a Yaris. I don't know what Toyota that is. Got some clean cars. Ooh, Shelby. STO.
I'm gonna turn your mic off, but you already turned it off.
It's already getting. It's not the. It's already overheating. Italians. Yeah. Now I got a fingerprint on it. To strap it? For racing? Unreliable. Raw to Yamaha has broken down way more than any of my Italian bikes. I wasn't gonna come, but I saw you were here. I woke up, was like, And I looked at Meddy's location. I said, all right.
Sticker's here.
Who's that?
He's famous now. He's famous now. YouTube camera.
What are you doing?
Bring your camera.
Huh?
Is your camera on?
Yeah.
Yeah, still bring it.
Why?
Why not?
Extra.
Penis with you.
You gotta sub to the OnlyFans for that.
Look, it's Sticker's face reveal.
We are here at the meet. This is actually clean. I love oh, it's a full, is it a full fender replacement? I don't know, but I love wide body kits when they don't have the bolts. I think when they bolt them on, you see the bolts sticking out, they're not as good, but this Liberty Walk body kit was clean. Come look at this matte black STO. Of course, this dry ass heat had the ape overheating like always. We gotta figure out that problem. It's not even that hot for that bike to be overheating right now. That exhaust is ridiculous. This purple is mint. Aston Martin. Oh, that's exactly what I'm talking about, where you can actually see the bolts. That makes me not as big of a fan. What else? Oh, we got Bilco. Big ass Vortex blower. Porsche. This thing is ridiculous. Forge Club. More Porsches. Ooh. C8. This is the same. Ooh, is that a jammer on the back? I hear an LS chopping somewhere. Old gen Viper. Those are wild. And convertible, not the lift sticker. I don't see anything else really over here. I guess we can go one more. C8 with some Lambo doors. We'll go this way. Oh, it's a puppy. Oh, Borla exhaust. That's actually a clean looking exhaust down there. Color changing already. We'll go on this side. Baja Shop. Oh, Voodoo. That means Shane's probably here somewhere.
Hey! How you doing?
Good, how about you? Hello.
Good. How are you?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Hi.
This is Colby.
You probably don't know me with the visor. Yeah. Yeah, I met when you were staying with Will over there. Or not, or over in that area. No? With Voodoo doing all that stuff? With...
I moved to Miami. Yeah, I moved to Miami.
Well,
Don't associate Ghostworks and Voodoo. Oh, no.
well,
You're good.
well, when it was over there, it was one group. No, I know Eric doesn't, but back then, they were one. Yeah, that's when I met you back then when you were hanging out. I could care less about bikes or car stuff now. All the car stuff is stupid. It's illegal. I can't drive it in California. Yeah. They flagged everything on it. I've never been ticketed, but there's a number of things that they said it's not legal for. But hopefully I'm going to sell it to my mom. See if that works. If not, I'm going to just take it to Arizona. So figure out something with it. But it's been sitting since January. I've been driving it since January. It gets started once a week. I go out there, start it, let it run for 20 minutes. But yeah, no, it's just parked. Alrighty though. I'll see you around. I'm going to keep filming. Adios. Nice to see you again. 06. Yeah, I think that's it. I felt like it was going to be bigger. It's definitely not small, but pretty sure this one is twin turboed. It's crazy waking up early like this because I used to wake up so early for car events. You had to be here at 8. We were getting here at 7:30. Now I'm like, I don't even want to wake up. That's the funniest thing was I was like, you know what? I don't feel like waking up. Don't think I'm going to do it, but still ended up going and making it. I'm like, I got titanium toe boots on, buddy. Are you sure you really want to cut me off right now? Was that another Aprilia? What's that brother in? An older RSV4? I think it's an RR. Yeah, it's an RR. I like his carbon fiber right there. The brake duct cooler. Full carbon frame cover. It's not bad looking. I wonder if he tracks it because it looks like it's been downed a few times. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Give it to him. Clean. It's clean. Don't know what else is here, guys. We're just probably going to kick it with our friends. Oh, Pista. Wait, how did he get the stickers on his Pista? I don't know. Let's go see. Where did our friends go? Where'd that bald-headed, ugly-ass dude go? Oh, this is that new, what's it called? I think this is that last generation of Huracan. I don't even know the name, but the front end looks pretty nice.
Never made it over here, but it's got a black series. I think if I ever were to own like a high performance Mercedes, it would definitely be this one, Active Aero. And I love this orange that this car comes with, all the carbon. Actually not a bad looking gooseneck wing. Not too obnoxious. I actually like that one. And we got $500,000 just sitting right here. Not even at the main part of the meet. Just sitting over here, $500,000. Ridiculous.
Alright, what's up guys? So this is a wrap to this video. Fun event. Oh, he has the pink Pista. We just saw that Pista. And he's in an Aprilia. Bye, buddy. Well, we're gonna go catch up with Medi. From here, we're gonna go get food, and then after this, we are going to be riding off to Lean's birthday ride. Where's your push button at? I think you're missing a bumper.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh. You were going so fast it just ripped off, huh? It's the race seat. The race seat made you fast. You're swerving to me? I got a recording, so yeah. You got insurance finally? No. That, I think, is a wrap to this video. Thank you guys for watching. A little bit of a cars and coffee. Had some fun. You got to see some cool cars. Drop a comment right now real quick and let me know what your favorite car was. I would have to either say the R34. That Liberty Walk GTR was pretty. I don't know. Probably, like I said, I have to go with that GTR. Well, both of them. Both the GTRs are clean. That Black Series was dope. Oh.